Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan. I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a box and whiskers plot. Now, so it tells us that they're represent the following data, and this is not an actual Khan Academy exercise, so you just have to, this is my scratch pad thingy. So we have our list of stuff, right? And so represent the following data, using a box and whiskers plot. Exclude the median when computing the quartiles. Okay, so what is a box and whiskers plot? Well, this is a box and whiskers plot. This box, whiskers. Like that. That's a box and whiskers plot. Okay, so this basically includes all of the data points. It's really helpful if you want to know the average distribution and the median, and you'll just know where all those things are with one look. Okay, so if you really want some more information, these two dots on the outside, these are the outliers. And this middle line in the middle right here, right? That line is basically the median. And these two lines here and here, these two lines here and here, those two lines are basically for the interquartile range, or the quartiles. So the first quartile is this guy here, and the third quartile is right here. Okay, so if we undo all of that, and we have a line here, so the first step is to organize this list of numbers. So looks like we have a 7, looks like we have an 8, so that's gone, 8, 8, 8, 8. Is that all the 8s? Yep. 9, 9, 9, 9. So 3 more 9s. 9, 9, 9. 10, 10. So these are canceled out. And 13. Okay, now the two outlier points, kind of, are this point here, 7 and 13. So we have to put those on. So 7 is right here. So I'm going to put it right here. And 13 is over here. So I'm going to put a point right there as well. Okay. So now let's make the box and whisker. Let's make the box now. So now we have to calculate what the median is. The median is basically the middle number in this set of numbers. So, what's the middle number? Well, this is a set of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, the middle number is going to be where there's 5 to the left and 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the median. This guy here. That is the median. Okay, so where's the median? 9. So we're going to put a line at 9. So like that. Okay. So now we have our line, and that's the median. Now let's calculate the first quartile. And it says exclude the median. That means we don't include the median when we're calculating this. So we only look at this set of numbers here. So if we just look at those set of numbers, 8. So we have 7, 8, 8, 8, 9. So we have 5 numbers here. And the middle one is where there are 2 to the left and 2 to the right. We're basically calculating the median of this set. So that's 8. So the median here is 8. So we're going to use our line tool to make another box here, or a line there. Okay, and last line at the outer quartile. Again, exclude the median. right? So that one is going to be 9, 9, 10, 10, 13. So the middle number here is 10. So we're going to put a line at 10. Okay, so now we have our box. That is our box. And now here is the outliers. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so now we have a perfect representation, a perfect box and whiskers plot. Now, that is what a box and whiskers plot is. Thank you for watching. This is howtodosomething.com. I'll see you at howtodosomething.com. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and share this video with others. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you at howtodosomething.com, and see you next time.